Understanding surface gradient, a guide to English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we'll be diving into the phrase surface gradient. It's a term you might encounter in various contexts, especially in fields like physics, mathematics, and even in everyday discussions about landscapes and textures. Let's unravel the layers of meaning behind surface gradient and understand how it's used in different scenarios. Surface gradient refers to the rate of change or slope of a surface. Imagine you're looking at a hill. The surface gradient describes how steeply the hill rises or falls. In mathematics and physics, this term is used more precisely to describe how quickly a variable, such as height, temperature, or pressure, changes over a distance in a particular direction. The steeper the slope, the higher the surface gradient. In the world of mathematics, surface gradient is a crucial concept. It's used in vector calculus to describe the direction and rate of the fastest increase of a scalar field. The gradient points in the direction where the function increases most rapidly, and its magnitude tells you how steep the increase is. For instance, if you're analyzing a mountain's height on a map, the surface gradient would tell you how steeply the mountain rises from its base. In everyday conversation, you might hear people refer to the surface gradient when talking about surfaces like roads, gardens, or even a skateboard ramp. Here, the term is used more loosely to describe how flat or steep a surface is. For example, someone might say, "The surface gradient of this driveway is too steep for my car," implying that the slope of the driveway is challenging to drive on. Understanding the concept of surface gradient can be incredibly useful. In design and architecture, knowing the surface gradient is essential for creating accessible and safe spaces. In geography and landscaping, it helps in planning how water flows over land. And in sports, the surface gradient of a playing field or course can significantly affect the game's dynamics. Today, we've explored the multifaceted concept of surface gradient. From its precise definition in mathematics and physics to its everyday usage in describing slopes and inclines, this term paints a vivid picture of how surfaces rise and fall. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about the world around you, understanding the concept of surface gradient can provide valuable insights into various phenomena. Thank you for joining today's lesson, and I hope you now have a clear understanding of the term surface gradient. See you in the next video.